That time of day, your luck is running thin, and there's nothing to be done. You just gotta ride it out. Baby steps, learning how to walk. No coffee anymore. I don't like what it's doing to my heart rate lately. No dancing anymore. I don't like what it's doing to my heart rate lately. A shadow by the door. Hallelujah. Honestly, it's nothing. For a moment there, I thought I was a child. Such a peculiar emotion, like losing a baby tooth, or when your shoelace comes untied, or getting caught in a lie. Wait, I think I've been here before. There's a kind of attraction turning me on my head. A couple birds moved in outside my window. I hope they stay the year. I'm loving what they're doing to my heart rate lately. Sometimes I sing along. I'm walking in rhythm to my heart rate lately. A feeling come and gone. Hallelujah. Honestly, it's nothing. For a moment there, I thought I was a child. Such a peculiar emotion, like losing a baby tooth, or when your shoelace comes untied, or getting caught in a lie. Honestly, it's nothing. For a moment there, I thought I was a child. Such a peculiar emotion, like losing a baby tooth, or when your shoelace comes untied, or when your story just isn't right, and now you're caught in a lie. A bag of rocks, a body bent, moving through the time you spent. Sleepy eyes, blistered hands, billowing long.
shadows pass in the sky, the silhouettes of your own mind. Feel the light, it's burning hot. The flicker comes and goes, it's all we've got. Come on home, bring the heavy with. We can make space for tenderness. Watch, we'll do it just like this.
Hold me, console me, love me, give me love like you used to. Can you hold me like you do? Can you hold me, console me, love me? Can you love like you used to? Can you hold me like you do?
you used to. Can you hold me like you do? Hold me, console me, love me. Can you love like you used to? Can you hold me like you do?
You're just standing on the cusp of what's okay and not morally gray, textbook insane. Now I'd like to draw this line you've crossed so many times. At this point I'm out of my mind. What's the point in loving someone morally?